Hello everyone, welcome. Today's episode 7 of Sunday Buys, where we buy crypto every single Sunday with a public portfolio, reviewing price points and what to buy. And we spend anywhere from $100 to $500 every single week. We also talk about what's going on with the projects, updates, good things, bad things, just DCing and buying cryptocurrency in general. Now, due to my new setup with new lighting, new camera, I forgot to actually save the video that I recorded. So instead of going on the exchanges, buying the crypto live, I will be reviewing what I bought on Sunday. Okay, so before we go any further, once we reach 7,000 subs on the channel, I will do a giveaway of XRP, QNT, whatever the crypto may be. I will do a community poll about it. I'll give away couple $100 worth of that cryptocurrency. So make sure you're subscribed and leave a like down below. And also, with a decent hardware wallet, there's a 24,000 XRP giveaway. So if you use links down below, buy yourself a decent hardware wallet, fill out the form afterwards, you will get 30 XRP. We talk about going past all-time high prices. You've pretty much got a decent wallet for free once you claim for your XRP. Check out the links down below. Now, what did I actually buy with that $400 that we are spending today? First up, I bought QNT. Many reasons, right? Firstly, let's talk about XRP. We've recently got a little bit of clarity. XRP not being a security, XRP's pumping. There's huge amounts of FOMO. I'm looking towards the other assets that are on the same level as XRP, but not getting that FOMO and attention like QNT. For example, if you think about the actual ICO itself, was not even held in the US. They are exempt. Now, obviously, the SEC could still attack them, but the real thing that matters is the result in court, what mattered with XRP. And in terms of the EU, Quant is well positioned. That is what we know. With MICA coming into place, it will be passportable to all 27 countries. Clarity outside the US, what I'm actually focusing on. If it was a bad result for XRP, I'd still be hopeful because there is another world with actual clarity and regulation being formed in place. The rules are being written right now as we speak. Also, in terms of QNT, we have such an opportunity at these price points. We could definitely go lower, we could definitely go higher. But again, the reason why I made this, I'm seeing so much conflict, especially within the QNT community, of arguments going on of are we going lower, are we going higher. Let's think back to 2013 with BTC around $115 there. Can you imagine the community fighting of whether it's going to go to $50, $60, or whether it's going to go to 150 or 200? It is irrelevant. We know for the long term, this is a fantastic asset, a long-term hold that's going to grant us a large amount of returns. So it's very silly. If you go back in time now with the knowledge, the wisdom that you have about BTC, you'd simply buy, you'd simply DCA the same thing you will do with QNT. And that's why I bought $200 worth of QNT. Now, with the other half, because the portfolio is obviously worth $1,600, I spent the rest on NXRA, one of my low cap plays, which is needed in a portfolio of this size. Another reason why I bought it, it was the lowest in my portfolio. I don't think I bought it since the early episodes, but now it's jumped all the way up to second place. Now, when it comes to NXRA, a lot of people do not want to buy because of what happened with ALBT, but think of this for a second. Let's just say QNT got hacked tomorrow, new token was released. It's the same project with a new token and a lower market cap. Let's look at previous returns of ALBT. So, lows of 5 cents and highs of $1.22 range. Insane increase in your investment. You have the same project, new coin, not too much activity in terms of the downside or the high side with a relatively low market cap. And with an 850 million supply, quarterly deflationary buybacks, I think NXRA is a fantastic hold, connecting traditional finance to decentralized finance, facilitating tokenization of TradFi. So much is going on with this project. So much utility for the token itself is what I'm personally looking for. That's why I bought $200 worth of NXRA. Final balance $1,600 worth. Price predictions, returns, fantastic tweet here lastly to end the video by Clocky. Realistic price predictions, not feeding for engagement, what I want to see more of on YouTube and Twitter. For example, conservative 20x for QNT, Very realistic. 2K per QNT. Once we're above the 1K positions, I will be looking to take profit, which I will be documented in the series and on the channel. 10x for H bar. I think that's a bit bearish, a bit more for H bar itself, especially what's going on, what's being built on, especially TPS, recent news with transactions per second. XDC 12x, I think that's very realistic. ETH, BTC, solid long term holds, but obviously not for a small portfolio like this when you want the maximized returns. And LCX, still a decent project. Now, I think this market is sending a lot of people sideways. When we look at QNT, taking the spot of DOT, where I believe it should be, that's a 4.5x. For this whole bear market, let's just say you have 100 QNT. That's around £7,000 worth and $10,000 worth. If you make a 4.5x on your investment, we're talking about 40, 50 grand on your investment. I can't think of any other asset class where it will happen that quickly of a return with your $10,000. People do take it too much for granted. These, 50, 70, 100x's. The market's getting more mature, and I think there's no shame, there's no harm in taking a profit on a 5 or 10x increase. Still insane gains to be made in the market. But that's pretty much it for today's video. $1,600 in the portfolio. Let me know down below what you're currently buying. Not too much news to go on, more just a filler video to get used to the setup with the lighting and the new camera. Then the video's going on. It's going to get more to that solid deep dive information. But if you made this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.